Hey, kids. Yeah, it's me. It isn't quite the date yet, but you know, it's close enough. I wanted to do this video for a long time. I am going to be recreating not recreating, more so just kind of recreating the environment that I did the first video in and doing the same thing as I did in the video. Now, I tried to recreate the desktop kind of thing, the desktop and the taskbar as closely as I could. Now, why am I doing this? Well, as of the time I'm publishing this video, in less than a week, 6 days, my first video, which was VM installation, episode 1, Windows XP, part 1, would have been published 2 years ago. Now, I already celebrated it turning 1 year old with, reacting to old Windows Friends videos. That was a good one, but, I felt like, I should do this for the second anniversary. And yes, I could have done a reaction to the reaction. But this, I think, is way better. So, what do you say? Should we travel back to November 2022? Oh, I think I should. And yes, I know November 2022 doesn't seem that long ago, but for me, for my channel, it is a long time ago. So, let's warp back to 2022. Okay.
Hello, everyone.
Welcome to That One Windows Fan, where I make tech-related video. I'm just kidding. You guys already know what this is all about. If you're watching this video, then chances are you probably know what this channel's about already. Yeah, those were the very first words I said on this channel. And no, I'm not going to try and mimic the entire video because it's not scripted. So, you may notice some classic elements returning. Scree.io, you remember that? Yeah, it's before I used OBS. I even downgraded myself to Windows 10, and I tried to recreate my desktop as closely as I could. You gotta commend the effort. I think I gotta commend the effort to myself because, look at how accurate I tried to, recreate the old layout here. So this is on my current virtual machine laptop, which I downgraded to Windows 10. It'll be upgraded to Windows 11 and clean reset again shortly. Don't worry, I backed up my files just for this stunt. So, yeah. So what I did in the original video is I downloaded and installed VMware, and I got a Windows XP ISO, and installed Windows XP on VMware. That's pretty cool, right? So let's do it. Also, you may notice a Power Director watermark in the corner. I don't know if it's changed or not. It used to be like a little blue banner. I don't know if it still is, but yeah. I'm using the newer version of Power Director. Yeah. Okay. Well, moving on. Let's download VMware. VMware download. Now, it's not exactly the exact same. It's not going to be the exact same experience because, well, I mean, everything. It's been like 2 years. It's changed. And now, you really need to sign in with my Broadcom account. Just go to VMware.com. So yeah, you get to watch me browse the web. Hooray! Also, I use Firefox now. I used Chrome in the original video, so I'm just using Chrome here too. Partner, solutions, products. And yeah, Broadcom owns VMware now. When I made that original video, they didn't, but now they do. So it's not going to be the exact same experience, but oh well. It's close enough. Download Fusion or Workstation, and we got to sign in, of course. Thanks, Broadcom. Alright, finally got in. It was kind of a pain in the ass. And we're going to use player 16 because that's what I used in the video, and I want to keep the experience kind of, pure. So we're going to do 16.2.5, and of course we're going to use player just to, again, keep the experience pure. And screening required. What? I agree. Oh, okay. Yeah, I do want to proceed. Broadcom, why you make me do all this just to download a damn file? City churros. Address 2? Fuck you. Address 1? No. Country? Postal code is required. Just do 02496. Submit. Please don't fill this field. Hell. Because that's where I am right now with this. Okay, can we do it now? There we go. There we go. It shouldn't take so much damn effort just to download a file. Go Control J. There it goes. It's downloading. There's some extra stuff I downloaded. Just like I'm thinking about just uploading this to archive.org just so people don't have to go through the absolute hell that was that process. Yeah, I'm just gonna be back with you in a bit because this is how I did things back in the day. No time lapses. There we go. It's done. So yeah, I wanna launch it. Just close that, and we're preparing for installation. Okay, looks like we need the Visual C redistributable. No. Okay, one sec. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, looks like I need to restart, so I'm just gonna end the recording here and then pick this back up when I restart. Okay, restarted after installing the Visual CC thing. I said CC, C++. Let's see if it'll complain about anything now. Preparing to install. All right, next, I accept. Custom setup. Sure. Nah. We'll do that, sure, and install. Just gonna pause this here until this is done. All right, finish. It didn't launch VMware yet, so yeah. Well, let's go back to Chrome. And we're going to search for Windows XP ISO download. Yep, I'm committing to make this as close to the original as possible by using sketchy sites. Fuck me. Okay, it appears that X-Server is not loading. Probably because it was a virus site. Yeah, I don't think I will use iServer again. But, you know, it's fine. We can search Windows XP Professional x64 ISO, okay? Windows XP Professional x64 Edition free download disk. Yeah, because I used this in the original video. Look at all these bots. Look at this. Look at this. Nah. I don't feel like getting a virus today. Windows executable. Okay, that's interesting. Windows. Okay, so Windows XP Pro, 64-bit English. Okay, that seems okay. And we're downloading. Okay, it is done, and I think we're ready to just hop into VMware and get it working. We can just use it for free. Okay, so let's create a new virtual machine. And pretty sure this is how I did in the original video. Oh, we have some built-in ISO. That's really cool. But I'm just gonna go with this. Microsoft Windows XP. We should have XP around here. No? Okay, XP Professional XP4 Edition. Okay. Just call it that. Sure. 40 gigabytes. Yep. And I think we could just click finish and play virtual machine. Okay. I'm just gonna go into here. Oh. Okay, so it's the network boot. It's trying to do network boot. CD DVD settings. Did I not? Oh no, did I get an upgrade ISO? Because it should be booting, right? Yeah, I think it should be booting. We're just gonna power off. Oh yeah, that's one of the things I hate about VMware. When you close a virtual machine, it just closes the entire thing. It's instead of just closing the window like VirtualBox does. Yeah, it's kind of annoying. You know what? Fuck it. I'll just use my external hard drive. The ISO that's on my external hard drive to do this with. Go to here, Windows, Post Y2K, and yeah, this is it. And this is the original ISO that I actually downloaded. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. That the date modified has been like not modified so many years, or rather, so many being two. I don't know. Well, whatever. Open and play. There we go. I don't know what was going on with that one. Maybe it was an upgrade ISO. I'm not sure. But now we are loading into the first portion of setup, this very blue portion. Welcome. All right. Enter to continue. And press F8. Unpartition space and NT if it's quick. And you know, I'll just make it not full screen. I don't know. I might have made it full screen in the original video. I'm not sure. And now we're copying files. Hooray! So let's just pause it here. Okay, and we can press enter to restart. Here it is, Windows XP X64 edition. Feel the power of high-performance 64-bit architecture. Here's our nice little regional language options window here. Just type out that, and can we enter our product? Do we have to enter a product key? Yeah, we do. Okay, well, let me just go get the product key real quick. And we have resumed. So let's name the computer, just call it, I don't know, just call it Windows XP. And that'll do. And we can just use our typical network settings. No, it's not on work group, it's on the work group. And it's copying files, hooray. Okay, I did not see this. It's applying computer settings. Welcome. And we don't have the sound. That's because we don't have VMware tools. So let's zoom in. Maybe at risk. Okay, I don't care. Yeah. So when I did this in the original video, it just installed VMware tools automatically. I don't know if it's going to do that now. Help. Install VMware tools. Install. Preparing VMware tools for installation. All right. The cover date says 2016. Okay. Well, we can do. Of course, we're going to do typical and install. And now it's going to install VMware tools. Hooray! Finished installing VMware tools, and yes, we got our sound now. Windows is starting up. There's the sound. If it makes you nostalgic, let me know in the comments so I won't read it. Okay, well, Okay, did it apply display settings? Because I'm only stuck in like this fucking low resolution hell. Sound, speech, and audio devices. Why did I go there? Appearance and themes. Change the screen resolution. And 1920 by 1080. That's my screen resolution. Yes. All right. Unpin, and yeah, we're looking pretty sharp. Okay, you can just move back there. Okay. Let's go a little. Let's tour Windows XP. Yeah, sure. Animated tour.
Welcome to
From
Windows
XP from Microsoft.
the new version of Windows that brings your PC to life.
Experience the best. Experience Windows XP.
Best
Skip intro.
To begin the tour,
Let's do best for business first.
with Windows XP, you get the proven dependability of Microsoft
Do
Windows.
robust.
Robust, reliable, compatible. On the road and around the world.
I love this. I love this song, brother.
More secure, easier to manage. Windows XP Professional. Windows XP
Safe and easy personal computing.
and
Oh.
enjoyable. Power, performance, easier to learn and use.
Better help for every task.
Better help for every task.
Unlock the world of digital media.
At home, at work, and on the internet. Photography. Playing music, video, and CDs. Like listening. Build
The connected home and office. Woo!
photos, music, even a printer and internet connection. All on a network that's
And
private.
Windows XP
Friendly
basics.
new screens, simplified menus, and a whole lot more. Discover Windows XP's fresh, streamlined design.
Let's go with the start menu.
The Start menu appeared automatically the first time you ran Windows XP. You can return to the Start menu anytime by clicking the Start button on the taskbar.
And we can do control panel.
Customizing your computer settings is simple with the Windows XP control
End your
panel.
session.
Ending your session. When you want to interrupt your Windows session and let someone else use the computer, go to the Start menu. That's where you can log off and switch users, and Windows XP will be ready to welcome a different user. When everyone's finished, you can turn off the computer. The next time you log on, the welcome screen will be the first you'll see.
Isn't that nice? Well, let's see what else is in here. We got a calculator. I mean, who doesn't love the calculator, brother? Probably not math unenthusiasts. What else we got? We got Notepad. I think we should do this again. Ooh, mysterious. And we can go to Paint. Let's draw ourselves a picture. You know, just get the Windows logo up here. I made the outline red. And just draw Windows XP. And there we go. We can save it as wallpaper and set it as our background centered. There we go. Isn't that just nice? What else can we do? You got WordPad. Sure. Oh wait, hold on. We gotta do pinball. We gotta do 3D pinball. Ready for anything, brother. That's where I give up. What else we got? Oh, well, we got Minesweeper. We can play this. It's like very small, but we can. Oh, we lost them in the first try. What else? We got Solitaire, classic. No aces. That's where I give up. Ooh, we got Internet Explorer. We can go browsing the internet. And you know what? Let's get images on google.com. And we are going to make a nice little movie in Windows Movie Maker. So, what should we do? You know what? Why not do a nice little tribute to Windows XP? Yes, and images. Just download whatever I find, I don't know, whatever. But you know what? Let's make this a little more interesting. Oh. Nah. If Windows XP gets a life. Okay, sure. Let's save the picture. Picture as one. Next. Just find out whatever looks interesting. Just adding that to scared of ice. Okay. Well, let's do that. Just call it 2.jpg. Here we are. Here we are at the bootleg OS hands, the dollar store OS hands, if you will. Oh yeah, we definitely gotta do that. 4 and 5. There you go. So let's open Windows Movie Maker. If I can find it. There's Windows Media Player. Is it not here? Did oh god. Oh no, don't tell me. Oh, there we go. Windows Movie Maker is still here. I mean, how could they remove Windows Movie Maker? It's like the best damn editor of all time. I'm just kidding. Import pictures. Sample pictures. Nah. Gotta do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, well let's edit our movie and make titles or credits, and let's add a title at the beginning of the movie. Call it Windows XP Tribute. Oh, I typed my name wrong. Done. I titled the movie, and let's just add our pictures in order. And yes, we're using the timeline view because we're there we go. And of course, we gotta add the transitions. Page curl, do a heart, shatter, stars, pixelate, and dissolve. There we go. And we are ready to save to my computer. Enter a file name, just call it tribute, and just save it to my videos. Best quality, of course. And just gotta wait a little longer. Come on, there you go. Play movie when I click finish. Sure. No. And it opens in Windows Media Player 10, which we can just set up here. Oh shit, you know what? I should have added background music. Well, it's too late now. It's like really fucking small, brother. Well, I mean, there's your video. There we go. And yeah, beautiful, beautiful video. 5 stars. Clap, clap, clap. What else we got in here? Well, not much, really. We got Windows Messenger. Yeah, you remember this? Windows Messenger is still running. Okay, sure. We just took a look at MSN. Connecting to MSN. Who wants to bet this won't work? Yeah, of course. Of course it does that. And we even got 32-bit and 64-bit versions of Internet Explorer, which is interesting. Internet Reversey. Steve Ballmer would be proud of that. Entertainment. Volume control. Yep, you're real entertaining here. This is like real entertainment here. Haha. Well, that'll just about do it for this very accurate recreation. I mean, I guess I would say. So, let's revert back to 2024. Woo! Oh, we are back to 2024. Oh yeah. So that'll just about do it for this video. And yeah. So it's crazy to think I've been uploading consistently, no breaks, no hiatuses for 2 years. Yeah. For me, that's cool. So, what will we do for the 3-year anniversary of the video? I don't know. Anyways, yeah, that'll just about do it for this video. Bye!